Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment through Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First off, what's an ACH payment? It's a secure, electronic way to transfer funds between banks in the US, often used for bills, salaries, or vendor payments. With Wells Fargo's updated 2025 interface, it's faster and more intuitive than ever. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo account. Open the Wells Fargo app or website and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a verification code on your phone. Step 2. Once you're in, head to the Payments or Transfers section. In 2025, Wells Fargo has streamlined this with a new dashboard, so look for the ACH icon or search for ACH Transfer in the menu. Step 3. Select Set up a new transfer. You'll need the recipient's bank details, like their routing and account numbers. Double-check these to avoid any errors. Trust me, it's a game changer for accuracy. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to send and add any necessary details, such as a memo or reference number. Wells Fargo might prompt you to choose a transfer date. ACH payments can take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Wells Fargo's 2025 updates include enhanced security features, like biometric confirmation, so you might need to verify with your fingerprint or Face ID. Step 6. Hit Confirm to send the payment. You'll get an email confirmation, and you can track the status in your account history. And that's it. You've just sent an ACH payment hassle-free. Remember, always keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.